Regarding the Bright Future Training Center, the programs which the Bright Future Training Center is offering, the director and my friend here, Mr. Khan is here, so he will give you the idea about that, and he will present it, that what is the programs they are offering beside CPA program. Yes, please come. I just use Mr. Khan because he will introduce himself by, that's why. The director of Bright Future Training Center.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to represent my company. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of Bright Future Institute, I'd like to thank you all to be a part of this presentation. Bright Future is a leading training institute in Mumbai, providing training in different areas. You can say accountancy, source languages, management. You can say there are a lot of training programs out there, but we are approved from KHDA. KHDA is the Small and Human Development Authority, which provide approvals to the training institutes in Dubai. So we have approved courses from KHDA. In Bright Future, we are offering an extensive range of customized training solutions for individuals, groups, corporate clients, trainings, companies, and small businesses, large businesses, and then you can say the government sectors. So here we are providing the opportunity for Mr. Imran to launch his courses. And thank you, sir. Thank you once again.
So, the glimpse of the courses which is offered by Bright Future. Besides CPA program, computerized accounting packages and other IT programs, corporate trainings in management sciences as well as in computer sciences. So we'll continue. This was our institute and now our faculty. I am Syed Imran Hasnain Jafri, in front of you, the person who started the coaching of CPA program here. I am teaching 2 subjects. In the 6 subjects, advanced financial management and advanced management accounting. My team members, Mr. Asad Yaqub, he is the associate member of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan, one of my brilliant students who qualified the exam in the first attempt, and I asked him to join my team, and now his result is even better than my result for the students. Then for business analysis and decision making, Mr. Faisal is sitting, Mr. Muhammad Faisal. So he is teaching, and one of our team members is missing. I don't know, maybe some problem in his car or I don't know, because he just called as usual. But his result is excellent. His teaching result is excellent. But he always said that there is a problem, so I will be little late. And my friend, my brother, and ex-colleague in this program, Mr. Mansoor Khan, is also there. So, we all are the members of the institute, and we went through that process, and then we are the good lecturers in this program. The third one is Mr. Armaghan Ahmed. Those people who have passed one term, they know, but those people who will join in this term, they will know. coaching classes. We are flexible in providing coaching classes. Weekdays as well as weekend classes will be available. Weekdays classes will be for those who are living in Dubai or in this area, who can come in the evening. The class time will be 7:30 to 10. For weekend, this program will be offered to the candidates who are living in other emirates and other cities. Friday program, 3 subjects in a day, 1 day program. Normally for evening students, there are 3 classes for 3 days. But for Friday, we will offer 1 day program, the 3 subjects will be in a day. The duration of class, we provide 2.5 hour class for each subject per week. The duration of our coaching class is 4 months, 40 to 50 coaching hours per subject. These will include completion of study material, the approved study material of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan, which will be given to you and which will be part of the fee package. We will complete the past papers. Every year we include whatever the new paper, or every term we include all the past papers. We started from 2011, so 10 past papers will be covered. Then some of the faculty members, they conduct the mock exam. They like it, like Mr. Asad Yaqub. He conducts the mock exam or test. But I don't believe this type of test. I think I will teach, and then on the day of examination you will face the music. So that will be the schedule of classes will be communicated to you. Our plan is to start the weekdays classes from 15th of February, and 4 months means 14th or 15th of June the classes will finish. Examination will be 1 or 2 days after that. Normally it starts 16th or 17th or 18th of June. And for weekend classes, 18th of February is our program, which means next Friday, not tomorrow, next Friday. For the classes, those who want to join, if you are already registered with ICPAP, well and good. If you are not yet registered, you have to send your particulars to me. On my email I will send it, your case will be evaluated, and then you will register and you will start the coaching, or you will join it. 1 class per subject will be given to you as a demonstration class. Our regular classes will start, but you can come and you can see our classes, our pattern, and then after that you can decide. For example, you took the one class per subject, means 1 week will be. If for regular class, it will be 1 week, 3 to 4 days. If it is weekend class, it will be 1 day, 3 classes you can take. If you will be willing to join, most welcome. You have to register. If you will quit, up to you. But you can take, you are most welcome. And I suggest, rather advise you to take our demonstration class. Demonstration, it will not be that we will plan for demonstration, no. It will be our regular class. But you will take it as demonstration. The most critical thing, the most critical, monetary matter. We are all accounts and finance professionals. So, the critical thing is the financial aspect. Regarding the registration with the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan, the exemption and registration fee will be case-to-case basis, but the maximum amount will be PKR 87,600 for a Pakistani candidate and $1,440 for non-Pakistani candidate. Then examination fee per paper 2,700 rupees for a Pakistani candidate and $60 for a non-Pakistani per paper. Then the fee of Bright Future Training Center or our coaching or tuition or training fee, that will be 500 will be the registration fee, which will include books and study material. Then if you want to take one subject, it will be 2,000. 2,000 will be for the complete package, which means 4 months training. 4 months training of a subject. Then 2 subjects, it will be 4,000, 3 subjects 4,500, 4 subjects 5,000. As the number of subjects will increase, the package proportionately will decrease. It means that if you will take a module, normally the people who join that, they take a module fee will be 500 registration and 3 subjects 4,500, and that you can pay in 4 installments. 4 installment means every month you can pay. Because you will take the class, I will invite you, I will send you the schedule, you will come, you will take the demonstration, and after that if you will decide to join that, then first installment, second, third, fourth, we will write the package, and accordingly, the dates as per your convenience. You will say I want to pay on 5th, and some say I want to pay on 8th, or some say I will pay on that day. But at the end of the day you have to pay. That is the thing. As per your convenience, this will be. And for example, if you will not pay or if you will delay, you have to receive your certificate from me at the end of the day, because the certificate will come to me and I will hand over to you.
Then we can pay more fees to you.
No, this will not be. When you will qualify, normally my tradition or my strategy is that not only I promote myself, I promote the qualified members also. I myself present, I take the picture and I upload on Facebook and all other social media that presenting. And those people who are connecting, they can see that though the person who qualified or qualify the exam, this will be. So your promotion will be one time and my promotion will be every time. Then examination. The CPA examination twice a year. The exam is conducted. Paper-based exam, case studies. Normally in a paper, the examiner gives 6 questions and the candidates have to attempt 5 questions. 20 marks each, 100 marks per paper, pass percentage is 50%. In order to pass the paper, you have to take 50 or you have to get 50 marks. Then the exam timing. In exam timing according to PST, Pakistan Standard Time, from 2 to 5, but here in UAE, the paper starts 1 hour earlier because of the timing. 1 to 4, the examination center is Pakistan Association Dubai is the examination center, because in the current exam it was there. The examiner, Mr. Shafiqur Rahman, is sitting with us, the fellow member, and I believe that the future examination will also be held there. So he is the sports head of Pakistan Association of Dubai, fellow member of the institute, as well as director of CPA in UAE as well as in Middle East. Now, getting these certificates. Our institute, our program, our faculty, our subjects, everything is completed. Now what type of certificates and what are the authenticity and the attestation of the certificate when you will join that program? The first letter you will get, that will be the registration letter. It will mention your registration number, it will mention your name and how many exemptions are there, the registration letter, and the registration number will be your SRN number. Then, according on the case-to-case basis, the exemption certificate will be given to you along with the registration. For example, you have 10 exemptions, then you will get the exemption certificate along with your registration, which will mention that how many exemptions you have, 1 module, 2, 3. Normally, my experience says that 10 for a graduate and 12 for a postgraduate. It means that for postgraduate or master degree holder, 4 modules exemption certificate you will get. As I mentioned that the 12 exemption will make you eligible to claim postgraduate diploma in public accounting or after completing 12 papers. 12 paper means if you are a BCom, 10 papers exemption and only 2 papers you will do, and then you can claim the postgraduate diploma in public accounting, which is called PGDPA. This is my certificate, and if you want to get the attestation, I have just asked them to send it. I have not get the attestation, but as usual, one of the fellow members, one more fellow member is sitting, I forgot it, Mr. Abdullah Burhan Al-Shamsi, he is also the fellow member of the institute. So